Assalamu alaikum. Today you're going to draw this camera swivel base. The overall dimensions are 40 by 38 this way and 57 length overall, 45 straight, and then radius of this arc is 12. The diameter of these circles are 28, 24, and 12. And with that, let's get started. A template with layers where you have your layout and your go to model space. By default you will land up in a top view, but you're going to start this drawing with front view. So start with the rectangle, and the rectangle you can start at 10,10. And it's 38,40. You should be in your object layer. And then there is a circle. Diameters are given, so we're going to choose the center diameter circle. And make sure you have your snap settings. Geometric center, center, midpoint, endpoint, perpendicular, intersection, and quadrant on. So now the geometric center is highlighted if you hover over the edge, and that would be the center of the circles. So first circle is 12. $24 next. And the last one, 28. Now if you go home, you will see that in isometric view, and we are going to start giving them depth. So you can switch to the 3D. We are going to use extrude command, and the circle and the square you are going to extrude by 5.5. Now that was backward. Now we are going to extrude the circle. That was 24 diameter by 9 units. We are going to redraw the circle on the face of the circle. And the diameter there would be 28. And then you're going to extrude that by 4 units. Now you're going to draw the circle that was 12 diameter. Then you're going to use the press pull tool to press that by 12 units. Let's change the view to the left view, and then hover over the view cube and click on parallel. 45,24, and then hover over this rectangle, and then hover over this vertex and then click on convert to arc. Now you're going to give it the radius 12 and then move this from midpoint to the midpoint. Click on home and see where that is. Use the extrude command and give it 6 units depth. Now let's go to the back view, and then again in parallel. You can use mirror command. Just type mi, select this object, and then click on midpoint, and then other midpoint for line of symmetry. Press enter. There is another circle that is missing over here, and that is 24 diameter. To make sure that you are drawing on that surface, go on coordinates and click on UCS, a pull down menu, and click on face, and then click on this face and then accept, enter, and then draw a circle that's going to be on this center. (24 diameter). Then using press pull tool, hover in between those two circles and push it back 4 units. Press pull the circle, the small circle inside by 9 units. You can erase this small circle, the two-dimensional geometry. Let's project the views on the layout. We are going to adjust the scale after finishing this. Click on the front view, that will control all the other scale, and let's go in 1 to 20. Change the isometric view, edit, and go to shaded with visible lines. Up the scale, it was 1 to 20. You can switch back to 2D interface, go to dimension layer, and add the dimensions. And that completes the drawing. You can make the PDF, preview it. And that should be all. You're done. Happy drawing.